Hello YouTube, the Two Coolest 2. This is update 4, I believe, of blizzard KENAN. It's in New York City in the Northeast from January 28th to the 29th, 2022. This is January 29th, 2022. This is going to be the last update. It's 9 p.m. I know I promised to do it at 8 p.m., but I had some shoveling to do. I had to eat, etc. So yeah, you see the snow has stopped. Some partly cloudy skies, not completely clear, but clouds overhead. You can see some stars and planets. But 9 p.m. it's gonna be lingering snow showers, and the system is basically gone. It actually ended up disappearing a bit sooner because I'm in a dark area. Ended up disappearing sooner because a massive dry air moved in and caused the precipitation to stop around 3 hours earlier. So that's been unfortunate for snow total hours. But how much snow you get here, for those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. I haven't said it. If you haven't seen my coverage of this storm, go check it out. It's in the playlist. Yeah, how much we get? So in the last update, I recorded 8.5 inches. That was around 12 p.m. I believe. Yeah. And unfortunately, there's not really good spots to measure anymore. Everything's been shoveled, so I can't really get accurate measurement. I tried to find, I think there was some forestry. I don't have to say it measure here. Anyway, I tried to look up some reported totals, but there's nothing really updated yet. So, unfortunately, I can't say, but last I reported was 8.5, so maybe you got above 9, between 9 and 10. So right now 17 degrees, but the wind chills making it feel like -1. It's gonna be cold the rest of the weekend. So you gotta stay warm. You see, the streets look clear. They're dumping tons of salt. This is all salt. This is not any slush. Well, part of it's slush, but right here on the right side of that line there, it's all salt. Not many people's out. Again, the snow has stopped. Again, it's a light powdery snow, so not too bad to shovel. I shoveled quite a bit today. And yeah, this is going to be the last update. The storm is basically over, so I thank you all for watching. Please check out the rest of the playlist where I documented the storm from start to finish. And I did a forecast, and one of the models was showing 32 inches. For here in New York City, that didn't happen. That model usually tends to over-predict. Eastern Long Island got slammed before I go. They got slammed. I saw snow drift up to 5 feet. I was looking at pictures right before I started this, so yeah, pretty crazy storm. So will we have any more? I don't know. It's been a pretty inactive winter season so far here, so maybe this is going to be a one and done, or maybe there'll be one more in February, because the rest of this week's supposed to be pretty warm in the 40s. So much chance for snow, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe one for February and March. Probably won't see one, a very small one. That's my guess. I don't know, we'll see. So over here, I wanted to record some stuff down there, but someone's sitting there. I don't want them to think I'm recording them. People act weird. You see, some people got a lot of shoveling to do. Some shoveling has been taken care of. Remember, the plow is going to throw everything back in, so you can't throw it into the street. The plow's just going to push it back. I see this person here push it out, but it looks like the plow just threw it back. Threw it back here. You see a little wall here. Maybe I'll just walk a bit more. See. Again, this is a light powdery snow. There we go, some light. See? I'm glad that light came on. It looks like the camera's having insufficient lighting. Yeah, a lot of people shoveled today. I'm a bit surprised. You know, it was a weekend. I figured people just want to relax. Maybe people are bored. I don't know. I know you're supposed to shovel anyway, so you can someone get hurt. But it's amazing how much has been shoveled already. And one less this spot. None of it's been shoveled. Alternate street parking has been suspended until Wednesday, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Make sure yourself. Alright, yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you very much for watching. And check out the playlist. And stay subscribed for future videos and future songs. See you guys. Bye.